going to be doing, this is, I guess you could say, part 1 of my bedroom transformation. So you can see over here, we have some of the colour swatches that I did, and I will insert a clip in here of them up close. The colour that we ended up going with was this one originally, and then we ended up going with this one, which is a holographic glitter. So what I'm actually using is the Valspar paint. This is in the shade Tulip Time. This is what it's called. So I got this for the walls. And the glitter that we've got is here. So I have the glitter paint. It's really hard to see. My lighting isn't great because we just moved in, so I'm still figuring this out. The silver is for the bathroom, my ensuite, and then this pink glitter is for in here. So what we're going to do is I'm going to paint, and this is from a company called, let me see, it's called Hemway. It's really, really nice. I was a bit skeptical, but it actually turned out pretty good. So it's exciting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint this whole wall here and this wall that goes around the corner. I will show you more as we are painting, but essentially this is where we're going to paint. And we're going to do one layer of the pink and then another layer of the glitter, maybe tomorrow when it's dry. So we're going to be doing 2 layers. I've already masked off the top of the wall, so we can get a nice clean finish, hopefully. And I bought this roller from B&Q. It's like an extendable roller, so I can like roll it on the wall. Should be good. And I bought these paint trays because I'm lazy and I want to just be able to throw it out after. So that's that. Also got some dust sheets, some more paintbrushes here as well. They are just like this. I have got as well some gloss that I'm going to gloss the skirting boards with, but I thought if I paint the walls first then I can gloss after. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited. With the paint. So again, I'm using the Valspar wall and ceilings, the V500. Is it V500? V500 blend. And this is in Tulip Time, which is in this color here. Now it does come out darker on the wall. So this is the paint here, and this is how many liters? This is 2.5 liters. And now the glitter says at 100 grams of glitter to 1.5 litre of paint. So I have 3 packets of the glitter. This is the Hemway glitter. So you can see here, this is the same, it's just different packaging. It's the Hemway glitter. And the shade I'm using is Pink Holographic. Now, what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to add, it says basing it off what this has said. I'm going to kind of go with the latter. And I think I'm just going to use all of them. That's one. I'm just going to mix stir this in. I am going to give it a really good shake after as well. Look at that. I don't know if you can see this. Whoa. I'm going to put the original lid on and I'm going to give it a really good shake. Well, that was messy. Wow, you can't really see it. A little bit. Oops, oh my gosh, can you imagine? See a little bit. But I'm thinking when we start painting with it, this is when you're going to see it. So let's get with it. So, that was so long doing that. I did the second coat, let it dry. Second coat of normal paint, let it dry. And then I did my coat of glitter. So you can see it's still wet. But you can see the shimmer. I love this. I'm so obsessed with it. So, I did 2 coats of the glitter as well. So I did 1 coat all over around the edges and everything, and then I did another coat as well. Yeah, I don't know why I'm being weird. Sorry, I'm just a bit tired. I did another coat as well, just to make sure I got full coverage with the glitter. And